Hello guys, welcome back to another WLF custom video. I am going to be installing ambient and footwell lights on this Mercedes A-Class. This is going to be a short video as I'm going to get enough time to record much content, so I do apologise. If you find this video helpful, please subscribe, it would be much appreciated. Right, so to get these vents out, don't know if you can see it, there's like a secondary plastic piece that's just there. We just wrapped the wire behind that back plate right there, and we just pull the whole vent out. So let's give that a go and it should come off. Right, so we've just put the dash lights in, as you can see. There's a bit of a mission. We have to tap it into the cigarette feed, as you can see just there. And yeah, so far we've got the module box, which is over here. We're just testing out the LEDs to make sure they work. This is the module box, the main controller, and then the sub boxes, and that's for the doors. Right, so we've got the main control over here. We just need to plug in the footwell lights, which we're trying to sort out right now. We've got all these. We just need to route them to each footwell around the car. Once we've done that, we're gonna plug in another piece of wire, LED strip actually, that goes over here. Gonna have that just go all the way around to the other side. This is what the dash looks like now, which looks absolutely gorgeous. We even applied the LED strips on the fan controls, and that gives it the finishing touch. Now all I have to do is apply these footwell lights and stick them on. Right, so we're going to take this door trim off so we can get to the ambient lights on this side of the door. Same will go pretty much to all the doors. So yeah, let's get straight to it. There is two T30 screws behind this chrome trim. If you use a trim tool, it will come straight off. There's also a little tab that needs pulling whilst popping the door card off. I don't know why Mercedes have done this, as it was a pain to hold. Right, so we're gonna tap the wires into these two wires, the brown and the red and black one. That's gonna be the live on earth. As the subcontrollers are gonna be on this side, the main controllers are gonna be controlling the subcontrollers. So that's all the dash done, the doors, see the handles done, the pockets done. All the way to the other side, right there. It's all done. We've even done the footwell lighting. All done. We're gonna be doing the back. We haven't done the back yet due to finding a 12-volt live in the back. Oh yeah, it's all pretty much done. We found the 12-volt live. It was the blue and brown wire and the blue and grey wire.